And welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Walshy Fire, music producer and member of EDM group Major Lazer, has inked a new publishing deal with American company Concord Music Publishing. The agreement, which took effect this month, covers his work with Coffee on the hit singles Toast and Throne. It also covers work done with Sean Paul, Chronix, Rudimental, Annie Marie and Mr. Easy, Wizkid, his Major Lazer group member Diplo, Popeye Caution, World, Cranium and Conscience, among others. Walshy Fire has performed on some of the world's biggest stages and has co-produced Major Lazer's albums to date: Free the Universe, Peace is the Mission, and Music is the Weapon. Concord Music Publishing represents more than 390,000 copyrights spanning diverse genres. In June, Walshy Fire released his first solo album, A Bang, on the Mad Decent Records. The 11-song set features collaborations with African and Caribbean acts. Walshy Fire also recently kicked off his European A Bang tour, which will see him performing in Germany, Spain, and France. Major Lazer has enjoyed massive success with hit songs including Paniflor with Vybz Kartel, Watch Out for This with Busy Signal, Lean On with Mo, Cold Water with Justin Bieber, and Powerful with Ellie Goulding and Taurus Riley, among others. Now, the latest album from reggae group Morgan Heritage debuted in the number 3 spot on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. Their latest compilation, dubbed Loyalty, is the 17th album from the Grammy-winning musical siblings. The 16-track project features a number of collaborations, including one with the unruly DJ Popcorn. The album comes in the midst of the group's intercontinental tour. The tour kicked off in Nairobi, Kenya, and will include scheduled stops in Spain, Italy, France, Canada, and French Guiana. It will conclude on September 22 in New York. Regarding the tour, Peter Morgan has said fans can expect an in-depth journey into the last 2 albums, Strictly Roots and Abracadabra, plus classic songs that fans have grown to love over the years. Now onto the international scene, where international pop star Rihanna's 2019 Diamond Ball is set to honor American activist Shaun King and Barbados Prime Minister Mia Mottley. Rihanna will be hosting her 5th annual Diamond Ball on September 12 in New York. The formal event, which will be hosted by comedian Seth Meyers, will feature performances from Pharrell and DJ Khaled. The last 2 Diamond Balls had performances by lyrical genius Kendrick Lamar and Childish Gambino. This year, the Caribbean-born singer will be honoring her home country's Prime Minister, Mia Mottley, and civil rights activist Shaun King. The event will benefit the Clara Lionel Foundation, an organization created by Rihanna to fund education and emergency response programs over the globe. Following previous years, an auction will be a feature of the formal event. This year's Diamond Ball auction will include the Jonas Brothers VIP experience, a signed Danny Green NBA Finals jersey, fishing with Peter Miller, a Savage Fenty 2020 fashion show experience, among other things. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.